The world wants and needs what you have to offer. I imagine a whole bunch of people lined up and they're waiting for you. They're waiting to pay you. They're waiting for you to share your message, offer your program, launch your product, write your book, because what you have is exactly what they need to make a big difference in their lives. But they're waiting because for whatever reason you haven't stepped up yet to reach them. So whether you've thought about it this way or not, you are a messenger. Hi, I'm Kevin Murray, author, spiritual teacher, and founder of Messenger Expansion Programs. If you're a coach, author, speaker, healer, any kind of spiritual entrepreneur, my mission is to help you to expand your message, expand your audience, and expand your income. I'm offering you a free phone coaching session to share with you a roadmap to build your spiritual business. Just fill out the form below, click send, and I'll call you to schedule our time together. Remember, your next new clients are waiting for you. So go ahead and let's start sharing your message more widely so they can find you. Send me the form below and we'll get started right away. We'll talk soon. Thank you.